Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls on your headphones Turtle Beach Atlas Air. So basically these headphones haven't a lot of controls here, so all we have is just to increase and lower the volume. So I will show it to you. Sorry, I guess I should connect them. Now you can increase the volume by moving this wheel to the left, and as you can see I just increase the volume, and move it to the right to lower the volume. Also you can use a cable if your phone have mini jack and you connect it with a cable, and this cable have also control to increase and lower the volume. Next we have power button, turn on, turn off your headphones. Then we can switch modes here. We have only two modes, wireless mode and Bluetooth mode. So you just press and swap between these modes. And the last one is we have Bluetooth button right here to enter pairing mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.